Hello, guys. We have a full day of work to do here in Construction City today. Is everyone ready? Ed the Excavator? Charlie the Crane? Billy the Bulldozer? Today, we'll build a house. All right then, let's get going. First, we'll need to gather our supplies. It looks like our foundation is ready. But what shapes will we need to build the walls? Let's see what we have to work with. A circle. No. A pyramid. No. A rectangle. Perfect. let's take them back to the construction site. Let's get started. Looks like the job is easier when you have help. Careful, Billy. That corner piece is pretty tall. It might tip over. Great job helping, Ed. Hey, look. Here comes Charlie with more shapes. I wonder what those pieces will be used for. I know what Ed and Charlie are making. It's a window. This is finally starting to look like a house, but something is still missing. Right, Billy? Yes, it needs a garage door. Let's go find one. Which should we choose? The red one? No. The green one? No. The blue one? Perfect. Charlie is doing a great job with the front wall, but we need something else. Windows. Billy has found the perfect windows, and look, they match the color of the garage door. Both are blue. Now it's time to add the roof. Uh-oh, looks like something's missing again. We need more windows. But this time, we need a different shape. The square? No. The rectangle? No. How about the circle? Perfect. Ed and Charlie are almost done. Great job, guys. All finished. What a nice house. What's that, Ed? Yes, many of the shapes are alike. The front windows, the walls, and the roof pieces are all rectangles. That's right, Billy. The garage door is a square. And so are the corner posts. And you're right too, Charlie. The top windows are circles. Well done, guys. Thanks for your help. See you soon. Looks like somebody's ready to have some fun today. Hi, Charlie the Crane, Billy the Bulldozer, Ed the Excavator. Are you guys ready to get started? Let's see what work needs to be done first. Looks like we have a giant ball pit and a big platform for jumping into the ball pit. But how are we supposed to get up on the platform? This looks like the beginning of a ramp. But all the pieces aren't connected yet. How will we know which piece goes where? You're right. Maybe we should match the colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. The pieces are really big, Ed. I think you may need help. Billy, can you help Ed? Great. Working together will help get the job done quickly. Let's start at the bottom with a violet-colored piece. Next, we'll place this dark blue one. This color is also known as indigo. Uh-oh, the next piece in line is orange, but the base is blue. I think this one is in the wrong place. I think we might need Charlie to help with the rest. Charlie, can you lift the pieces of the ramp? That's the way, Charlie. I knew you could do it. The orange one is next. But how will you lift it high enough, Charlie? Great idea. Put it on top of the other pieces and let Billy push it up the ramp to the top. Almost done, guys. But which piece do we need? We've already used violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, and orange. How about red? That's the one! That's it! The ramp is ready to go! Let's play! Careful, guys! You're up pretty high! Who wants to go first? Wow, Ed, that looks like fun! Way to go, Billy! You did it! Great work, guys! Who wants to go again? Well, that was fun! See you later, friends!